forgot.
Yeah.
It's been a long day.
Yeah.
My right of hold.
Okay, fine. We're sorry. Ah, yes. Right here. See? The briefcase.
No. You can grab the case, actually.
Yeah, here.
I'll just make sure that this is plugged in.
Everything full.
Yes, everything in here is fine.
Yeah, here you go. Good job.
Yeah, looks good, actually.
Yep, everything looks
Wow.
great. Yep.
You hear that?
Wait,
What the hell is that?
what is that?
God, I heard that earlier. And then the next thing, it took a chunk out of me.
Okay, maybe we should, someone check on that? You see anything? What? Where are you going?
Hey, where are you going? At the corner.
What?
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. Hurry up.
Come on.
What are you?
Hurry up.
Over there. It's like.
Come on. Get over here. Get over here. What do we do?
I don't know. Dude, come on, let's go.
He's grabbing him.